You came here for some awesome crypto apps, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So without any further ado, let's talk about the crypto apps that you need to have. Let's go. Searching for opportunities in the crypto market shouldn't be so hard or complex. I mean, we're living in the 21st century, for crying out loud, and honestly, with how fast the space is moving, you can't rely on books or blog articles in this fast-paced environment. You need tools, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite apps, with the first one being Gecko. This is what I like to call the sister app of CoinMarketCap. Ever since CoinMarketCap got bought out by Binance, it hasn't been the same. And so here is what Gecko looks like when you first open up the app. And within the app, you can look at a whole lot of features here. Things like categories, exchanges, and even derivatives. But what I love about it is that you can actually search for cryptos by looking through the exchanges themselves. So let's say I have a Binance account and I wanted to look at coins that are only on Binance. All I would need to do is go to exchanges, click on Binance, and click on market, and then it will show me every single pair that exists on Binance. And another really cool feature is if we go into categories, it will actually sort the cryptocurrencies by the categories that they are in. For example, if I only wanted to look at meme tokens, I could go ahead and click meme tokens and it will show me every single meme token that exists on the market. It of course has a ton more features that are very similar to CoinMarketCap, but I wanted to cover the main features that I personally use through this app. Of course, there are features like, a portfolio, which you have to sign in and have an account to do, but I think that there's a better platform for this, and that's the platform we're going to be talking about next, which happens to be by the name of Delta. Delta is a much sleeker version of the portfolio feature within CoinGecko. I like Delta for grouping together all of my investments in one place, so I know the net worth of all of my holdings, not just crypto, but stocks as well. Now, the way to do that is actually just to go ahead and click on the plus button here, and you can add manual transactions, or you can even connect an exchange account or connect a wallet. And for stocks, you can actually connect broker accounts as well. This is probably one of my favorite apps to use and will give you a highlight version of what the market is doing, but even more so what your portfolio is doing based off of what the market is doing as well. But not only that, but the platform is so sleek and in my opinion, way further ahead as far as the design than its closest competitors. They also have this news feed here that looks so much better than CoinGecko's, but when it comes to data, CoinGecko is better for that. Now, I'm all about simplicity, and Delta offers that with their alerts feature and the ability to add multiple portfolios. A really useful feature for that is if you wanted to create a portfolio side by side another portfolio that maybe you were playing around with, or maybe you wanted to put money in and you wanted to see how it would perform side by side, well, you can do that through the Delta platform. And I think that is so cool, and what most platforms don't offer. It's a great tool, and even better if you wanted to compare your portfolio to imaginary portfolios, or if you wanted to see how you'd fare with trading or holding only. So if you wanted to run simulations, Delta is the way to go. Now, this one is really fascinating and powerful, and it's called Crypto Panic. Not only is it a news platform, but it has some features that I think are really cool. The first is polls feature, where you can create or answer polls, and this is a community aspect that most other platforms lack. The other thing I really like is the Reddit simplicity feel. But as far as features go, it has a rising category talking about the latest news that's moving up on the internet. At the same time, has a media section which shows you what YouTube channels or podcasts are talking about particular coins, crypto as a whole, that traditional media does not ever feature, unless you follow these people on social already, of course. Because of its ability to grab all kinds of media from most sources on the internet about crypto and blockchain, the feed doesn't stop. Unlike most apps that have a media section, then try to show what you might like, but do a bad job of showing you everything in order, Crypto Panic does that. Also, if you wanted to read articles just on a particular coin, you can see that as well. For example, if I click Ethereum, it will only show me things that are related to Ethereum. I can even search for a particular topic, and let's say I wanted wanted to read about Solana, here you have a section where you can virtually search for just that. All right, if you like that video and you want to see more videos like that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. Hopefully you found this super useful, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button, and YouTube suggests that you might enjoy these two pieces of content as well.